Introducing the 2025 Sinotruk New 6, 410-wheel, 430 horsepower howo NX tractor truck, a powerful and reliable vehicle for all your transportation needs. With a manual transmission, diesel engine, and Euro 3 emission standard, this truck can handle a load capacity of 31 to 40 tons. It comes with a 1-year warranty and ISO-certified radial tires for smooth and safe driving. The truck features a spacious cabin with seating for up to 5 people, making it comfortable for long journeys. Choose from a variety of colors and optional features like ABS trailers and hydraulic pumps to customize your truck to suit your needs.